Masquera say Mure Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kake tanka kuklapa neno channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana wachingwa garoka subscriber, don't forget to comment and share this video. Masquera Zimbabwe takuigirai nyaya ya Buddha, nyaya ya the former CCC and leader Nelson Chamisa uyo arukunze arufana kuapia before the commission of inquiry nenyaya kumanagwa kwaitwa the seat of Harare, the Harare City Council apo paitungamirira bato of citizens coalition for change, a move yashamisa mazhinji chinzi aiwa bato VeZanu PF rapererwa vava kutsvaga maways ekuda kubatanawo Chamisa antu vada kubatirira Chamisa vadatsvaga maways ekumusunga mure Zimbabwe. This commission iri kuchaiwa naretired justice Matthews Cheda avo vakapiwa a task yekuinvestigata allegations of corruption, mismanagement and governance failure within the city's administration. Testimony ya Chamisa yagana a significant public interest nekuda kweroo yavo yavakaplaya as a prominent opposition figure and this party influence in the local governance. And funga CCC hold a majority of the Harare City Council before my national elections. There is some questions about the accountability party Citizens Coalition for Change for Zimbabwe. The inquiry established in the Ministry of Local Government and Public Works. So even they are concerned over service delivery challenges at Harare, sanganisira water shortages Harare pamwechete ne marara asiri kucollectwa pamwechete ne the deteriorating infrastructure yemuHarare Zimbabwe. Allegations aya ari kukonzereswa nemisuse yemafunds by the council officials mure Zimbabwe, zvinhu zvakonzeresa kuti even the admin the seat of Harare wangu ichiparara. So Justice Cheda vakabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti the commission iri kuema kuita investigations iyaya hanzi and the findings achabuda they are expected to inform future policy reforms mure Zimbabwe. Vachamisa vakastepa down as the CCC leader shure mekunge vadyiwa ma-elections akaitwa muna August vari kuexpectwa kuadresa ma-questions nekuda kweroo yavo yaiplaya mukuoverseer the city council's operation nemaenderero zvakare aitwa the urban governance his party mure Zimbabwe. Ma-political analysts avo ma-political analysts abuda achicomment on this issue vachitaura ivo vachiti this appearance yava Chamisa inogona kubooster kana kutanisha image yavo mure Zimbabwe. The public react on this issue vachitaura ivo vachiti this inquiry is politically motivated in order to it is attempting to discredit the opposition. My critics so akataura achiti ayo accountability should apply to my leaders regardless of the political affiliation. Tingazive kuti mimi munoona sei nyaya iyoyi kuti is this whole thing targeting Nelson Chamisa kana kuti zveshuwa this commission of inquiry yakatargeta kucheka accountability accountability mure Zimbabwe. So zviri kunzi the key areas are investigate in this commission of inquiry as alleged misuse yema-public funds ayo ainzi anga allocated of critical services. Zvakare zvikunzi pane nyaya ye-controversial land allocation allocations nema-irregular tender processes. Zvakare zvikunzi council yakafeila kuadresa ma-long-standing service delivery issues inova nyaya ichawanikwa ichiinvestigata zvakare mure Zimbabwe. Tingazive kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi nyaya yabuditswa ne the Zimbabwean Mail vachitaura vachiti former leader of the Citizens Coalition for Change CCC Nelson Chamisa is scheduled to appear before the Commission of Inquiry into the affairs of the Harare City Council. The commission is chaired by retired Justice Matthews Cheda and is tasked with investigating allegations of corruption, mismanagement and governance failures within the city's administration. Chamisa's upcoming testimony has garnered significant public interest given his former role as a prominent opposition figure and his party's influence in local government, the CCC held a majority in the Harare City Council before the recent national elections, raising questions about the party's accountability for alleged irregularities. The inquiry, established by the Ministry of Local Government and Public Works, seeks to address mounting concerns over service delivery challenges in Harare, including water shortages, uncollected refuse, and deteriorating infrastructure. Allegations of graft and misuse of funds by council officials have further eroded public trust in the city's administration. Justice Cheda stated that the commission aims to provide a thorough and impartial investigation, with findings expected to inform future policy reforms. Our mandate is to uncover the truth and recommend measures that will restore confidence in local governance, he said during a recent briefing. Chamisa, who stepped down as CCC leader following the party's electoral defeat in August, is expected to address questions about his role in overseeing council operations and his party's handling of urban governance. Political analysts have noted that his appearance would either bolster or tarnish his legacy as a reform-oriented leader. The news of Chamisa's scheduled appearance has sparked mixed reactions among Zimbabweans. Supporters argue that the inquiry may be a politically motivated attempt to discredit the opposition, while critics contend that accountability should apply to all leaders regardless of political affiliation. Observers also view the commission as a litmus test for government's commitment to tackling corruption and inefficiency across local authorities. With urban councils traditionally serving as opposition strongholds, the findings could have far-reaching implications for Zimbabwe's political landscape. The commission is expected to focus on 1. Alleged misuse of public funds allocated for critical services. 2. Controversial land allocations and irregular tender processes. 3. The Council's failure to address long-standing service delivery issues. 4. Governance practices during CCC's tenure in Council leadership. Harare residents have expressed frustration over the city's worsening living conditions, with many hoping the inquiry will lead to meaningful reforms. We just want clean water and better roads. Those responsible for the mess must be held accountable, said Rutendo Moyo, a local resident. The Commission's hearing will continue over the coming weeks, with testimony from various stakeholders, including current and former city officials, councillors, and independent experts. The final report is expected to be submitted to the Ministry of Local Government with recommendations for addressing governance deficiencies. As Chamisa prepares to take the stand, all eyes will be on the proceedings, which are poised to shape the narrative around accountability and leadership in Zimbabwe's urban centers. Ndomabudisirwa kaitwa nyaya iyi muri Zimbabwe tinazoti munoona sei nyaya yetu dzezvamuri kufunga mucomment section kuti nyaya iyi iripo pakutamisha Chamisa here kana kuti tudze zvamuri kufunga mucomment section.